Are you ready to supercharge your customer engagement and streamline your marketing efforts? In this tutorial, we will dive into the world of ManyChat, where you will learn how to create interactive and automated conversations that can boost your business like never before. Whether you are a beginner or looking to refine your skills, let's transform the way you connect with your audience. Ready to get started? So let's go. So first of all I have to do is open your browser and dive into ManyChat.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how you can get started with ManyChat.com step by step. So in the homepage we have here a various things. So what is ManyChat? ManyChat is a chatbot platform that allows businesses to create automated conversations on messaging apps like Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, and SMS. It helps streamline customer interactions, enabling businesses to engage with their audience, answer inquiries, send promotions, and nurture leads without needing constant manual input. With its user-friendly interface and powerful features, ManyChat empowers marketers to enhance customer experience and drive sales through conversational marketing. So here we have a various information like here we have unleash the power of chat marketing. Drive more sales and conversation on Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger using automation. If we scroll down, we will find also other things here like Instagram DMS, answer every single question, comment, and store replies 7 per 24 to attract more leads, increase sales, and drive higher conversion on each hit. Then we have your WhatsApp. Use WhatsApp automation to help customers discover products, retrieve order information, and deliver customer support all at autopilot. We have your Facebook Messenger. ManyChat for Messenger automates conversations to fall more sales, generate leads, automate fakes, and run marketing campaigns. Then we have use chat marketing to drive more sales on autopilot. Then we have supercharge your lead generation, increase conversion rates by up to 90%. Then we have automatically respond to every message. We have will claim back your time and slash costs. Then we have new teach experience, no worries. And you have your discover why plus 1 million brands trust ManyChat. And if we scroll down, you will find here the steps that we have to follow to get started with ManyChat. First of all, we have the first step, which is here. Join 1 million smart brands and sign up for a risk-free free trial. Second step, use our template gallery to create a customized chat marketing campaign in as little as 15 minutes. Then we have the last step, which is leverage your social media channels to generate more conversion, sales, and revenue 7 per 24 hours. Then we have here the pricing. As you can see, choose a ManyChat plan that's right for you. Then we have here it's for free. Get started with access to ManyChat basic features to engage up to 1,000 contacts free for charge. So we have here to get started, no credit card or charge card required. We have here channel access, Instagram direct messages, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and we have here key features, automate conversations, a limited custom flows to engage up to 1,000 contacts. Then we have here acquire new customers, access basic growth tools to drive leads to automation. Then we have the last one, which is segment your contacts, then customer tags. Then we have just to click for get started for free and you will find this page. Here we have what channel would you like to start with. We have here Instagram, supercharge your social media marketing with Instagram automation. Then we have here Facebook Messenger, create Facebook Messenger automation to keep customers happy. Then we have WhatsApp here, choose the most popular mobile messaging app in the world and reach 2 billion users. Then we have your Telegram, power up your business with Telegram automation. So you click over Instagram and you just answer the question that here and then you will find this page. So this is the dashboard. As you can see, here we have the home page. Have you start here, sub product name is send a product line app in Instagram. So here we have business value. Here you've got products like a lot of products. They could be digital or affiliate products, free resources, or your new line of scented soap and clay. Now you just gotta get them in front of your followers in as many places as possible. Think less promotion, more purchases. How does it work? So you can earn real money from Instagram as easy as a comment and show off the products you have in a cool little product gallery. You'll give your followers what they want and show them what else you've got to offer right in their DM inbox. Then you click over setup template. Then you have just to add here this one and you get started. Then you have here also other options like this one, but first you have to add an account. You click on your tiger, connect channel, and then you get started. Then you have this one, send as comments reply, and then you have also this one. You have it send within 24-hour window. Then if we come back, you'll find here the next step, which is generate leads with stories. Use limited time offers in your stories to convert leads. So here we have business value. Are some of your followers just likers? We have all got those fans who only pick at our stories and not anymore. This template allows you to engage them where they are most active. How does it work? Promote your favorite lead generation offer like a webinar, course, with lists, or giveaway, wherever in your story and spark a two-way conversation while collecting data on more leads. Finally, your stories can do more work for you in that short 24-hour life. If you click over setup template, you will find this page. You should connect your Instagram channel to use this widget. So here we have this one. We are going to delete one comment posted. I've just took it for this one, but we add here this one. Here we have this one and this one. We have also this one. I'll just to choose if it's text, or we have image here, or delay, or data collection, or more, and this is it. Then you click over to the next step. You select here Instagram EA step, perform actions, and other things. You have recognized questions in DM with EA, identify and respond to common user requests. So we did the same steps, the same thing that you have did with all those things. So ManyChat is a robust platform that enables businesses to automate customer interactions through chatbots. Its user-friendly interface allows you to create customized conversation flows and automate responses effortlessly. With features like audience segmentation and analytics, you can personalize engagement and refine marketing strategies. Leveraging ManyChat, you can enhance communication, boost sales, and strengthen customer relationships. Start using ManyChat today to revolutionize how you connect with your audience. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.